Now I would like to invite one famous professor from the Technical University of Chemnitz, Ralf Zichner, also head of department printing functionalities at the Fraunhofer ENAS in Chemnitz.
Hello.
Hi. And he will talk about robot-guided inkjet printing for the production of printed electronics on arbitrary 3D surfaces. Perfect. The stage is yours.
Christoph, thanks a lot for the kind introduction and welcome everyone. Yes, today I would like to give you a short input in some research activities, and I called this the presentation robot-guided inkjet printing for the production of printed electronics on arbitrary 3D components. So first of all, I would like to give you some words to Fraunhofer itself. You know, Fraunhofer is a big society. It's 76 institutes in Germany. I have to mention here, all of these institutes are fully independent. So please keep an eye on that. Fraunhofer is one brand, but inside Fraunhofer, we have different kind of Fraunhofers over there. And I am with the Fraunhofer Institute for Electronic Nanosystems, in short called Fraunhofer ENAS.
Ralf?
And also a small part in part one. We are so far around 160 staff members with annual budget of around 24 million.
Ralf,
and we have a society based on 3 business units.
We seem to have a little bit of a technical issue here. I'm just kindly asking if you could switch off the camera. So sound is a bit cracky, but slides look good, and I think if the bandwidth is moving towards sound, we should be good. So could you kindly switch off the camera?
Of course. What about that?
Sounds good.
Even better?
Yeah, sounds good. Go ahead.
Wonderful. All right. I'm very sorry for that. I'm wondering myself why this happened. All right. So I stop there. So there's a bit of 3 business units. I'm with the system application business unit, and I'm heading the department of printed functionalities. So it was all about Fraunhofer. Let's start diving into the topic. And I have to tell you, we are not a manufacturer. We are not an industry company. We are a research institute, and therefore we ask ourselves and also our customers, what is the market need? And of course, I would like to show you 2 market needs which are very prominent. The first one is well known in the society here. This is a cost-efficient production of products using mass production process. That means roll-to-roll screen printing, roll-to-roll gravure printing, or roll-to-roll inkjet printing, everything which becomes roll-to-roll. And also start or research on that using this device. It doesn't matter. We are not a company or not an institute who are built as a machine. It's only something visual to show you what is roll-to-roll all about. And everything I mentioned to you is, of course, related to printed hybrid electronics. In this case, it's mostly on polymer films. And of course, this is known since years. But we figured out 4 to 5 years in the past that also a second market need is raised up. And this is something like the cost-efficient production of unique products in a serial printing process. And what does it mean in detail? It could be something like aerosol jet, but in our case, it is something like that. It's robot inkjet printing on any kind of 3D object. To build up a rig on top of a 3D object, the printed type electronics. This is the main topic of today. We would like to focus here. And inside this market needs, I can see, or we see, very clear trends. What does it mean? The very first trend, I guess it's also well known into here, is everything, really everything becomes smarter. I give you some examples. For example, smart watches, smartphones. And in this case, I would like to cars. You know about the fact that our new cars, the electric ones, consist of a lot